The National Academy of Agricultural Research Management organized 4th edition of AgriUdan, a food and agribusiness accelerator in Hyderabad. The 4-day capacity building workshop was held from 20th to 23rd December. My Startup TV spoke to Praveen Dorna, co-founder, SocioHub, on the sidelines of the event. Listen.
Hi, I'm Praveen Dorna. I'm the co-founder of SocioHub.
Hi Praveen, welcome to the show. So you just interacted with the cohort of AgriUdan. What's your impression? What do you think about the cohort as of the startups that have been onboarded?
So I had a chance to speak to some of them. I even checked out the profiles. I think it's a very diverse batch of participants this time, and it was really fascinating to see that a lot of technology influence has come into now agri space. Right, some of the startups are working on blockchain, SaaS. So there are like a lot of wonderful startups, and I think from the huge number of applications, they have really filtered out some really good ones. So I think it's going to be very interesting times for agri space.
You also made a mention during your talk also about startups now using startups using technology.
Yes.
Where do you see this? I mean, given your understanding and experience of the startup ecosystem, where do you see this technology? What kind of role it is going to play in agriculture itself?
So considering the agriculture part, right? So at the end of the day, anything from an inefficient system will work towards an efficient system, and technology is just an enabler. So the problems are going to stay the same. It's more about how do we use technology to take off the much basic tasks and make the farmer's life, or somebody who's doing agriculture. Even if you look at the global markets, a lot of it is automated. A lot of agriculture happens at a bigger scale. So sustainability for low scale farmers is difficult, but when you talk about like doing it at a large scale, it adds dividends. So this is where I see that technology and the startups which are building this technology will really solve a lot of inefficiencies in the system and take them towards actually focusing on the right things and building food for the future.
Also, for the benefit of aspiring entrepreneurs or the next generation of entrepreneurs, is it not important also to tell them or take the message across that technology should not be added just for the sake of adding technology? Also, need to see the application of it within the sector.
Right. So going back to the same word I said, right? Technology is an enabler. So I would stick to that, because at the end of the day, it's about figuring out the problem, figuring out what solution is good, and if that solution actually needs technology, that is when it would make sense to involve technology. But we are living in a world where technology adoption is happening and everyone is going digital. With COVID, it has accelerated. So technology is going to happen, but it's more about what level of technology, what part of technology would actually influence somebody, is what is going to be the need. Because even a lot of them, even after they come up with the initial solution, they would need technology to scale and serve a bigger segment of people. So there's going to be a blended model. It's not like a pure online solution going to solve everything. So they have to work with blended offline players plus online players putting together to provide what really solves the problem for a farmer or end user in agri space.
You've been coming to AgriUdan program. What difference do you see in the fourth cohort versus the others?
Yeah, so I was delighted to be back here. So it's really nice to see a program grow and scale. Right. So in my previous interactions with NAM and all, it was still like very basic. A lot of agenda was a lot basic. Now the whole program has scaled up. The quality of startups coming have scaled up, right? And a lot of them seem to be more mature. The program is really well organized, right? Well marketed and well put out as well. So I really see that now they're actually kind of getting there and really trying to make it worth it for a lot of agri startups. And I hope they can continue the same model and help more startups out there.
Finally, My Startup TV is a channel for startups and enablers like you. What are your thoughts about what we do?
I think it's unique. So I haven't seen another My Startup TV around at least. So I think a lot more of you guys are needed, because a lot of education is needed. A lot of people need to know what startups are, because I think everything starts with awareness. And as long as people don't know that this segment exists, a lot of people would never even think of venturing into this. So I think My Startup TV plays a significant role in bringing that awareness to a lot of people, and then kind of bring rest of the enablers together and connecting the dots will really multiply what can happen in our Indian ecosystem and startup ecosystem. So I think you're doing great work, and definitely would love to see you guys grow.
Thank you, Vrind. Thank you very much.
Pleasure. Thank you.